Hi everyone, this is Meryl. Welcome back to the Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with these amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, including the playlist. So be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. And if you're a creator and you would like to join us on Wednesdays, all the contact info is also, you guessed it, in the description down below. Today I'm going to be making 3 different sets of car coasters using different mediums. The intense chameleon powder in like a purple blue, the epoxy pigment paste in black, the 24 karat gold magic mica metallic powder, the yellow Sigwong mica powder, and the chantilly in coffee. I'm going to be using 3 brushes. As you can see, I've already started on the flower. I'll be making this one on video so you can see it. And for the resin, I'll be using the T-Expert Hardener Epoxy Resin. All of the products I'll be using today, including the mold, will be used in the description down below. So, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is finish up this other coaster with the sunflower. I'll speed it up so you won't have to watch me detail it so much, but at least you'll see how I'm making them. I am going to use a silicone cup, some alcohol, and the yellow. Oh, let's do the center first. I'll be using the coffee. I don't need my gloves for this. Just a little bit of the coffee. That's probably a little too much, but it's okay. Excuse me. The reason why I'm using a little bit of alcohol is so I can control the mica powder to where it's going, and also it dries very quick. I can control the amount and definitely where it's going. There you go. That's really nice. A little bit more here. Okay. That's it for that. Put this to the side and get the yellow one. For small detail work, I'm just using a flat brush. This is 99% alcohol. Mix it up until it's liquidy, no clumps. I do want the yellow mica powder to fall in through the cracks on this one, like I did on this one right here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna let them dry for about 15 minutes. I know the top layer of the mica powder is dry. It gets dried right away, but I want to make sure that the bottom layer is completely dry. That way I can pour the black resin on top of it. But that's it for now, so I'll be right back. Okay, they're dry. Now I'm gonna just put a few drops of the T Expert epoxy pigment paste. 2, 3. Let's try 3 for now. Oh yeah, 3 is plenty. Okay, I'm going to stay here, monitor for bubbles for a few minutes. Then it's going to go straight into the cure machine, and I will see you back for the reveal. Okay, they're ready. Manageable. Manageable. Let's see. Oh, look how beautiful. Okay, that's one. They're about ½ inch thick too, so they're really nice. Got a couple bubbles on those, but easy to sand. Oh, that's when I cleaned up a few of the drops of the gold. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take that out. Maybe by sanding. A couple bubbles on that too. This one, this side of the mold is like not shiny. Good thing I have another one, but came out nice. Oh. Tell me what you think about them. I think they come out really nice. This one's got a couple flaws. This side of it is not shiny, so I'm thinking the mold is damaged on that one. This one I can fix. I just have to sand it down a little bit, give it a little, maybe a top coat. Sand down this bubble. This one has a little tiny bubble here, so that, oh, right here. So I just have to sand it down. This one has, I remember seeing a bubble right here, has two tiny little bubbles. And this one's good. And this one is good too. They're not as yellow as I thought they would be, but okay. That does it for today's video. Be sure to check out the amazing creators participating in this week's Coasting Through the Week collaboration. And please, thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you on the next video.